4, 7. Hello guys, welcome to this channel guys. In this video I will show you how you do your overhead squatting at home. You can do this thing at home, make it your morning routine. Every morning you do this morning head squatting. It helps your leg, to build your leg. So you have to keep your hands up like this. You put your leg close, then you go. This is how you do your overhead squatting. 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You change. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. That's it. This is how you do your overhead squatting at home. Okay, for beginners that don't know how to do it, this is your overhead squatting at home. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.